Well, the heat has certainly returned in a vengeance. Today, a lot of our temperatures breached 90 degrees, and some of us made it in the low 90s. It even felt hotter, too, because of the humidity being high. The dew points are still running up near 70 degrees. 92. That's above normal by a good 5 degrees. This morning, down to 69, not bad. We're going to have those lows come down later in the week. But the high temperatures, even though they'll come down a little bit, it's not going to be a huge reprieve except for the humidity that's going to be dropping. That'll be later on the week, and I'll show you that coming up. We didn't get any rain, so for the month, we're running a deficit now. For the year, we still have a pretty good surplus going on. Here's the temperature trend for August to show you we started off kind of in the heat, and then we had somewhat of a cooler trend there for a couple of weeks, but now it has turned hot again. Our temperature's flirting with 90 degrees, very close to that for the past several days, and today we finally breached that. Tomorrow, we expect much of the same. Also, the UV index is going to be pretty high, up there at 9. You need to protect yourself from any skin damage. You can burn in 10 to 15 minutes time without taking any proper precautions in the sun. Don't forget to hydrate too, because it's pretty hot, it's humid, and you need to replenish those fluids as they leave your body pretty quickly. Feels like 95 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. Some of us have heat indices back up in the upper 90s, at least briefly for an hour or two, until we start to notice those numbers come back down. Precipitation chances, well, they're slight. We have a 20% chance, primarily in the mountains, the high elevations, and also the plateau, just like we saw for Saturday. Now, Monday, we ramp it up a little bit to a 30% chance. Then Tuesday, we have a cold front that will be coming in, and it'll bring us a pretty good shot of showers and storms Tuesday into Tuesday night. Behind it, that's when we benefit from some of the drier air that'll be moving in. This is Futurecast showing you in the afternoon. We have isolated showers, perhaps thunderstorm possible, primarily in a higher elevation. Some of those could be drifting in to the valley, but weakening as they do so, and then we'll see a few spots back over the plateau too. We'll quiet down for tomorrow night and then get another chance for more isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon for your Monday. But look, there's a cold front. That's it up there. We've been tracking. It'll eventually be down here by Tuesday. So tonight it stays warm and muggy, down to 69 degrees. Tomorrow we'll be back up to 91 for your Sunday afternoon. And then for the rest of the weekend into the week, our temperatures, well, they stay up near 90. Our possibility for rain starts to climb by Tuesday into Wednesday. And then it looks like Thursday and Friday, maybe even Saturday, we'll have a few pleasant days ahead. I'll see you again soon. Have a good weekend.